Hi there, I just finished week 10 of the Guitar Mastery Method 10-week Master the Fretboard workshop. I'd played guitar for a while beforehand, but pretty much just was strumming chords, jumped onto Guitar Mastery, did a bit of their basic course, and then this came up, so I did this as part of as part of a wider membership. But now I can find my way around the fretboard. I know my pentatonics, how they link up, my major scales or diatonics, the blues scales, to mess about with modes if I want to mess about with modes and find different flavours. Essentially, my personal objective was that I could start to come up with more parts if I was writing songs other than just strumming the chords, and I can certainly do that now. And I'm pretty excited. I've just recorded a song, and I play my own solo on it, and it's a basic melodic solo, but that's what I wanted. I was able to get sort of kind of what was in my head, and I understood how to translate that into guitar, if you like. So thanks, Charlie, Johnny, Will and Mike, who are some of the other teachers, not on this course, but on the general program, and everyone in the community. It's not just the content you get from Charlie and the structure, it's the support in the community. And what I'd also say is that I've really committed to this this whole sort of method for a year, because as we know, there's information overload these days. You can get tons and tons of stuff on the internet. You may even do this course. You could say, oh, I could find that there, and I could look that up there, and my brother could tell me that there. But the point is, this is all organised for you, structured. There's PDFs, there's weekly challenges, and it just saves you so much time. And there's guys on there who've said they've been playing 30-40 years, some even more, and time after time people saying they'd learnt more in this 10 weeks than these are guitar players that see themselves as guitarists, where for me guitar is part of my songwriting. Basically learn more in this 10 weeks than they've learnt in all those years, and I've certainly learnt tons. And I'm sticking with these guys, and if you get a chance, make the investment, and I'm sure you'll get great value from it.